Hello, guys. Hello. This is so weird. So I'm finally back after 2 months ba yun? Or siguro mga 2 to 4 weeks of not being able to upload or something. So ngayon in this video, I'm going to tackle something or may sasabihin po ako sa inyo na may kasalanan po ako sa inyo.
You what?
Well, don't worry, this will be a speculation video. And this will tackle all the things that you need to know. At kung bakit hindi po matuturing Summer Saga Arc. And also, bakit nawala yung Insta 360. Nagtataka po ata kayo ngayon, sabi niyo, pala, ba't nawala yung Insta 360? In this video, you will find out. Let's get into it. So, what is up guys? Welcome back into another video. When today, we're doing an apology video. Hindi nyo po ito ma-expect. Pero, it's at least the thing that I can do sa lahat ng ginawa kong bad or something bad back at that island. So basically, to start off this video, I was supposed to have a Summer Saga arc regarding for my series, the HD Adventures. That vlog series went really uphill for my channel. From really like less than 100 views hanggang sa magiging po to more than 100 views na po ito nung in-upload ko po yung series. And now basically of course since ever na recorded ko po itong series na ito, I was always using one singular device. Yun po ang Insta360. Shoutout po pala sa brand po na iyon dahil yun po kasi ang ginawang posible po yung mga videos na iyon, including the series po. Especially din po sa mga drum covers, yung mga POV ko, ganun. At ngayon, mag-speculate ako kung bakit ito nawala. Yes, nawala po. So basically, I was literally recording po for our vlog sa Boracay and Carabao Island, Romblon. Yes, dalawang isla po dapat yung next episodes po natin. And basically, this is supposed to be a 5-part episode. I mean, a 5-part saga arc. Yung Summer Saga are 5 episodes po yun dapat. Regarding po sa part 1, papunta po pa lamang sa Boracay. Part 2, yung pinaka Boracay Island, i-explore po namin yung magpamilya, kami ni ate at mama ko. Part 3, yung papunta na po kami ng Carabao Island, doon po kami nag-meet with my friends at sa ilang mga church meets ko po sa All Because of Jesus. And sa Baliwag Ministry, syempre. At of course, part 4, yung pinakakasal na one of my beloved ate is Ate Grace. At sa kanyang asawa na po ngayon na si Kuya Melvin na kanilang wedding na ginanap po that day. And after that day, syempre, what would be the day of wedding without ng celebration? So bali after na pumunta po kami sa beach sa Carabao Island, sa may Isla de Carabao, you will see on the picture that I will put in front of my face. So and now finally part 5 na bumalik po kami sa Boracay, but this time with my friends. So excuse me. Ayun po, first of all, I will deeply apologize to the Boracay Coastline team. I apologize po. If you're watching this video, I'm deeply apologize of my actions and my emotions. That was so not definitely me of thinking of the way that I treated you all. And nanghingi po ako ng pasensya ninyo sa ginawa ko po nun. At pero salamat pa rin po sa inyo sa mga ginagawa niyo pong serbisyo sa amin even though sa nangyari. Okay, ito na nga. So ganito po ang nangyari. Basically, on that final day of my episode, which is supposedly part 5, I think that's supposed to be May. Basta yun, Miraculous po yun. Miraculous po dapat yun. Wednesday. So, nasa banana boat po kami. Nag-ride po kami sa banana boat. Ride po kami sa isang banana boat, which is, I don't see it before. That is a banana boat with dual seats. Parang siyang, partner po yung upo. Magkatabi po kaming lahat, by partner, ganun. Malaki po talaga yung banana boat na nakita namin dun sa Boracay. And, of course, syempre, I really thought that it was gonna be just a sakto lang na ride. Katulad dun sa Bataan na ginawa po, na sinakyan po namin noon sa Bataan sa November or October 2025. I thought okay lang. But actually, it isn't. Honestly, for me. But okay lang siya na ganun ka-extreme kasi ina-add some more fun to the rides. Actually, yeah, it is extreme. Extreme po yung rides. Extreme po yung banana boat. Especially po sa ganung kalakas yung alon. I expect po talaga na pag ganun ka na dun sa pinaka-ride. And of course, yung yung pinaka-incident po na nangyari dun, I will talk about it right now. Basically, after a one sharp left turn sa papunta na po sa pinaka-station ng mga banana boat, mga activities like parasailing, parasailing, mga jet skis, doon po lahat na nakatagpo sa isang lugar, which is sa gitna po ng dagat actually. Nakalutang lang po, para siyang isang ship, isang station, doon po sila nakalagay lahat. Which is, nagulat ako. Kaya bago po yun, nag-speedboat po talaga may papunta po doon sa mismong station para lang po makasakay sa banana boat. Yes, nasa gitnaan siya ng dagat, which is I didn't expect. So, ayun, after that one sharp left turn, paano ko to pwede sabihin? We fell down for banana boat. Yes, we fell down. Basta yun, nahulog po kami sa banana boat. Not only me, but me and the rest of 4 people fell down from the banana boat. This includes me, si Mariel, si Kuya GP, si Kuya Omar, tsaka ang ate ko. Nahulog po kami sa banana boat. Which is, ironically, lahat po kami nasa left side ng banana boat, which is kind of funny. Parang, isa po nahulog, dami na po yung iba. Which is very memorable for us actually. Pero syempre, yung some of us na di kaya lumangoy, syempre matotraumatize po tayo. At di po talaga makarecover. So basically, ano po connect ng Insta360 doon sa banana boat? Basically, yung dapat po namin gawin is tulad yung nakahawak po kay ate, yung model po ng Insta360 na yun, which is nakaganon, yung mahaba. Ayun. So, basically, I don't trust myself syempre kasi alam ko naman matulasin po yung mga kamay ko, kaya lagi ko pinagkakakiwalaan kay ate para maghawak ng Insta. Pero na-realize din po niya na nagiging wild or nagiging nagiging ano po siya, para nagiging extreme pa po ang banana boat ride. Nagiging ano po yung alon, malakas. Kaya ayun po, na-realize po niya, kailangan niya po yung patayin. Patayin po niya yung pagre-record po niya dun sa Insta360. So yun, after nung nahulog po kami, excuse me, ayun na nga, lumubog ang Insta.
You what?
Yes, nahulog po siya. And as soon as I realized nung nahulog po kami, then sinabi niya, narinig ko po siya actually. Sinabi niya, nahulog yung isa. Yes, I was literally disappointed that time. Kasi I did all those videos in effort and basically just drowned in the seas right now. Hanggang ngayon po, yung Insta360, yung X4 model ay nasa dagat pa po ng Boracay until now. Sa pagkakaalam ko, yes, di po namin ako, syempre, di po yan lulutang. At di po yan mag-float. Syempre, di po siya I get it, water resistance nga po ang Insta, but not waterproof. Di po siya waterproof. Kaya kahit naman po makuha po namin yun, wala natin pong silbi. Kahit ma-recover, makuha ko pa po, sira na po yun. Kahit makuha pa. Kaya masyado, syempre sa disappointment ko po, nagalit po ako sa mga Coast Guard ng Boracay. Excuse me. I even swore at them. I even raged at them. So I'm now apologizing. I'm so sorry. I am deeply desperate. Ginawa ko po yung sa inyo. If you're watching this po, yung team po ninyo, I deeply apologize. So, ayun, I hope you all can forgive me for my actions. So, ayun po. Sadly, di po namin ma-recover. Salamat din po sa mga kapatid na kasama ko na nagsusuporta pa rin po sa akin. Yeah, alam po nila na nakakasaddening po talaga. Especially na yung pinaghirapan mo, lahat ng i-effortan mo dun sa device or sa mga lahat ng ginawa mo actually, lahat po yun na-apply. Pero natitinan po natin na failed or sira na. Syempre mati-disappoint po tayo lahat, di ba? Kaya excuse me, ayun, syempre di magiging po ito sa akin. Especially na considering na napaka-anticipated pa naman po itong Summer Saga arc na dapat po ma-release today ng episode 16. But instead, we gotta go with storytelling. Yes, I will still upload that what happened from my experience sa Boracay and Carabao Island sa Romblon. I will still go on to tell it. I was still going to vlog it. But this time, it's different. We're going to storytelling like this one, yung ginagawa ko po ngayon. And don't worry, I have proof na pumunta po tayo. See, my shirt here is from Boracay, from the pasalubong stores. And ayun, syempre bibili kami ng ref magnet kasi may tradition po kami magpamilya. Lagi po kami bibili ng ref magnet para na sa mga lugar na pinuntahan po na. And ayun, if there's some bad news, there's good news syempre. The bad news yung Insta360 nabubok niya. I think I will not be able to record some episodes through 360 for now. But the good news is we did order a new model of Insta360, which is the X5, the recent model, which is I think it's meant to be po talaga. Kasi last year din po namin nabili yung X4, which is very coincidental. Kasi po binili po namin siya last year lang, ginamit po namin, first try po namin sa Baguio. At ngayon, 2 weeks ago, and now it's getting replaced just like that. And this time with the X5 version. Don't worry, I will not be able to do that again, like the banana boat POV. No, just do the precaution. At ganoon din po, napag-isipan ko rin, it's also my fault din. Kasi suppose dapat nilagay ko na may tali na may sa Insta mismo. through my sister's hand sa ate ko para lang di mahulog yung pinaka-model. Yeah, that's on me. I didn't think that bro. Because akala din namin nila ate, mama, kasi po di namin makakalain na magiging extreme po yung ride. Hindi po tulad dun sa Bataan. Yeah, that's a big difference. Pero don't worry, there will be new content soon for my channel. Don't worry po, there will be new content soon. A new episode din syempre. 2 new episodes to be exact. And don't worry, in last week of June, I will get that Insta360 X5 BBD because my father will be here soon. He will be home and he will deliver it to me because he was the one who bought it, syempre, thanks to my pop-ups. And or after, we're going to end the video here, syempre, as goodbyes aren't easy, syempre, pero as you see na kung bakit ganun, you will see that, yeah, maybe it's meant to be. So, we're now gonna end the video here. Don't worry guys, nakakabawi po ako sa inyo. And, malay nyo rin, makakawawi pa ako sa cellphone. So, that's it for this video. So guys, I hope you appreciate my message to you. So guys, be sure to like and subscribe, hit that bell button for notifications if you want to see more content, and syempre to be notified para lang sa mga updates ko. So that's it. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.